present to you the Special Action Force Internal Security Operations Team. They are responsible in combating insurgents like the New People's Army, Mora Islamic Liberation Front, the Hussein Group, OTIC's local terrorist group, and other insurgents. It is composed of 8 men who are all capable and dependable with their individual qualifications and specialized skills. It is an officer-led 8-man team assisted by men of any grade and conducts internal security operations. Once again, the Special Action Force Internal Security Operations Team. Starting from the lead scout. Is the eyes and ears of the team, proficient in visual tracking. His main function and responsibilities is to serve as the front security of the team. Specializes in silent hand signal and expert in analyzing terrain with the foresight of evaluating any eventualities. Once again, the lead scout. The navigator.